I am given x plus 3 raised to the power 3 to solve. How do I solve this? Without much stress, then without making mistake. It will be very tedious if I expand. So what is the best way or the best formula to use when solving this? The best formula is expansion, binomial expansion, Pascal triangle. It deals with polynomials, brackets with powers, power more than 2, exponent more than 2. Let's say for example 2, 3, 4, and so on. This will give you a very straightforward answer. Now, I have this to solve. You know the one raised power will give you what? Quadratic equation. That's somehow, when it gets to the power of 3, 4, 5, we use Pascal triangle, we use formula method in binomial expansion. Now, what's the Pascal triangle? It's in this form. I have 1. Then after 1, you write 1, 1. You can create this yourself. We have 1, then 1 plus 1, the one before this line. 1 plus 1 is 2, then you write 1 to cover it. Now we have 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, then 2 plus 1 is 3, and we have 1. Because I'm ending this at 3 because the power is 3. Now we deal with the number, the power, the brackets in the triangle. Now if the power is more than 3, we keep the triangle going till we get to the power. So let's now bring out this formula. We have a plus b raised to power n. That's the form of the bracket. It's going to take this shape. Now we have a plus b, the power is 3. Now I'm going to bring out the formula so I can relate this to this bracket. So now what's the, I have a 1 coming behind it, then a, the power of a reduces and the power of b increases. Now what do we have? The power of b, which is the highest power here is 3. So we start with 3, then the power of b increases from 0. So then we have an a raised to power 3 and b raised to power 0. That's where we start from the 1. Then we add the 2. Bring down this 3. The power of a reduces, don't forget. Then we have a raised to power 3 minus 1. It reduces by 1 and power of b increases by 1. So 3 minus 1 gives you 2. Then power of b becomes what? 1. 1 plus 0. And we have the next one is what? 3. The power of a is reduced, and don't forget, then we have a raised to power 1, then b increases to 2. After which we bring down 1, that's the last one. The power, we are using this last line, don't forget. The power of a becomes what? Reduced to what? 0. Then the power of b increases to 3. And that is the highest power, which is the power given, the highest. This is the enter 3. Now let's now look at, let's bring this into play. Or before that, I will just write the final form, the simplest form of the simplified form of this. So that will be a raised to power 3, b is 1, b raised to power 0 is 1, then 3, a raised to power 2, b raised to power 1, plus 3, a, then b raised to power 2, plus a raised to power 0 is 1, then we have 3. Now relating x plus 3 in the brackets cube to what? To this form. It becomes, so I'm going to relate this to this. So we have x plus 3 cube in a bracket. Then relating this, so I will change my a to x. So we have our a here is x raised to power 3 becomes x raised to power 3. Then here we have 3. Our a is x raised to power 2. Then what is our b? Our b is 3. And we say b raised to power 1, 3. Plus what? 3. A, what is our a? X. Then our b is what? 3. Then raised to power 2 plus, what is our b here? Our b is 3. 3 raised to power what? 3. So bringing that down, we have x raised to power 3 plus what? 3 times 3, 9. X raised to power 2 plus 3. 3 times 3, 3 squared is 9. 9 times 3 is what? 27. X plus what? 3 raised to power 3 is 27. And this happens to be our final answer. So the expansion of x plus 3 raised to power 3 gives you what? X cubed plus 9 squared plus 27x plus 27. So that is